So I've been in education 23 years, and I've never met someone that quite deserves this award like Mary. She is indispensable to our district.
What really sets her apart is her presence. She serves as a chaperone, attends student events, cheers them on, celebrates their successes, and shows up in ways that extend far beyond the workday.
The Custodian and Maintenance Professional of the Year Award acknowledges the outstanding contributions of those who are making a difference to their local school districts, community, and custodial and maintenance profession. Mary Goldsmith is being recognized for her outstanding dedication, professionalism, and commitment to her school community. With more than 20 years of service, Mary goes above and beyond daily, ensuring the building is immaculate, assisting staff and students, and fostering meaningful relationships with everyone she meets. Congratulations, Mary.
People don't even realize that Mary anticipates people's needs. She anticipates things. She comes to me with ideas, a lot of ideas, on how to make our school better. She's kind of a folk hero in our school.
I've had the unique experience of knowing Mary as a student and now as superintendent. Yes, I've returned home to serve, and I can say without a doubt that she has helped shape the culture of our district. She's not just a staff member, she's family.
I've been here 17 years. Mary's been here with me longer than that. I have been so spoiled. You don't typically get, a Vince Lombardi type on your first go around.
I'm deeply honored and humbled to stand before you as the recipient of the WASBO Custodian of the Year Award. This recognition means so much to me because I know the work I do throughout the district has been noticed and appreciated. It also means a lot to me knowing that my work has made an impact in the school and surrounding areas. I want to start by thanking those who made this moment possible. First and foremost, I want to thank the school district of Westfield for being a community that values the contribution of every individual. From our students and staff members to our administrators and families, you've created an environment where teamwork and care truly shine. It's been a privilege to serve in this district and be part of the community that feels more like a family. To Mr. Moody, I want to thank you for nominating me for this award. I want to express my gratitude for your guidance and support. Your mentorship has been incredibly helpful in assisting and developing my skills both personally and professionally. Thank you for being an incredible mentor, and I'm deeply honored to call you my friend. You pushed me to challenge myself and grow, and I'm incredibly thankful for that. I also want to thank the administrator team for your leadership, your understanding and support. Your confidence in me is the biggest motivator to be the best I can be. Thank you for always believing and encouraging me to achieve more. Your faithful in my ability means the world to me. I truly appreciate how you always lead by example and set the standards high for all of us to follow. I'd like to extend my gratitude to the staff, my coworkers, and students. Your trust in me reminds me every day why this work matters so much. Seeing students walk into clean, well-maintained schools where they can learn, grow, and feel safe, and greatest reward. Every smile, every thank you, and every kind word fuels my passion for what I do. Lastly, I want to thank my family and friends for their unwavering support and encouragement. Your belief in me has been my foundation. I am so grateful for everything you've done. In closing, this award is a reminder that every job, no matter how big and small, has the power to impact lives. I am proud to be a custodian, and I am deeply grateful for this recognition. Thank you for this incredible honor and for allowing me to do the work I love to do.